Hello and welcome to today's speaking practice test. The cue card of the day is
Describe a person who has had a significant influence on your life. You should say who is the person and what is your relationship with them. When and where did you first meet or encounter this person? What qualities or characteristics of this person impressed you the most? How has this person influenced your life and decisions?
here are some quick tips for you. Remember the past, present, and future rule while making notes before you talk. Don't speak too quickly. Keep talking until the examiner stops you after 2 minutes.
Mr. Thompson, my high school literature teacher, greatly influenced my life. I met him in high school, where his classroom was like a small library, filled with books and the smell of paper. He was passionate about literature and had a unique way of making every book and story exciting. His classes were more than just reading, they were about discovering life through stories. What really impressed me about Mr. Thompson was how he connected the lessons from books to real life situations. He taught us to see beyond the words, to understand the emotions and lessons hidden in the stories. He had a special talent for making us think deeply and see different perspectives, which opened up my mind to new ideas and possibilities. Mr. Thompson's influence went beyond the classroom. He encouraged my interest in writing and journalism, guiding me with his knowledge and experience. His teachings on the importance of communication, understanding different viewpoints, and expressing ideas clearly have been fundamental in shaping my career path. He showed me that stories are powerful tools for connecting with others and can make a real difference in the world. Now, as a journalist, I apply Mr. Thompson's teachings every day. I strive to write stories that are meaningful and can help people understand complex issues. His influence has taught me the value of storytelling, critical thinking, and empathy. Looking ahead, I aim to inspire others just like Mr. Thompson inspired me. I want to use my writing to bring to light stories that matter and can positively impact society. Mr. Thompson's legacy in my life is a testament to the lasting impact a dedicated teacher can have on their students, shaping their thoughts, decisions, and careers. Through his guidance, I learned the power of words and the importance of sharing knowledge and stories to enlighten and educate others.
Part 3 of the IELTS speaking test involves a deeper discussion with the examiner on topics related to the theme introduced in Part 2. It usually lasts around 4 to 5 minutes. This part aims to assess your ability to express and justify opinions, analyze on issues, and engage in more complex conversations.
How do influential people impact others? Influential people lead by example, showing others how to act and succeed. They motivate and encourage people to improve and try new things, leading to positive changes in their lives and communities. Why are role models important? Role models are important because they guide, inspire, and show us how to overcome challenges and achieve success. They give us a clear example to follow, which helps us grow and reach our goals. How do mentors help individuals? Mentors share their knowledge and experience, helping guide us through difficult times and decisions. They support and challenge us, which is important for personal growth and achieving our ambitions. What role do influential figures play in society? Influential figures drive positive change by setting good examples, advocating for progress, and inspiring groups to work together for a better future. Their actions and leadership can lead to significant improvements in society. Why should young people have positive role models? Positive role models teach young people good values, boost their confidence, and show them how to succeed. They provide a roadmap for navigating life's challenges and achieving dreams. How can someone become influential to others? To become influential, one should be empathetic, honest, and a good leader. Developing self-awareness, learning continually, and helping others in an inspiring way are key steps to becoming a person who positively impacts others.